Yo, what is up, YouTube? This is your man Frank Dutch right here, back at y'all with another. I ain't said what's up, YouTube in a long time. What's up, YouTube? This is your man Frank Dutch right here, back at y'all with another Maschine video. You feel what I'm talking about? This time, man, this video is gonna be very interesting. I'm about to show y'all how to actually record vocals into the Maschine as if you were like actually recording your song. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe because this video gonna be a banger, man. Click them links down in the description too because I got a lot of treats down there for y'all, man. A lot of different things down there for y'all, especially free sounds. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. So you already got the beat made, it's rocking. Check it out. Yeah. Yeah, you already got the beat made. You ready. You know what I'm saying? It's a couple things that you want to do. The first thing is you want to make sure you got a mic plugged in to the back here or into your interface. You know what I'm saying? And I was going to say, if you don't have the MK3, it's fine. You can still do it. You know what I mean? You just got to have an interface. After you've done that, make sure everything is connected. You want to go over to an empty group. You know what I'm saying? I got one already made right here. Empty group. And you want to go to the empty sound bank. But then you want to press sampling. Right now, check this out. As you can see right here, it's on external stereo. We're going to change it to external mono, and my mic is on line 1. So we're going to keep that as is, and we're going to go over to this window and we're going to put it on loop, and we're going to set it for the length that we want to go for. You can do 16, but you got to keep in mind that like if you're recording, you definitely want that pre-record on because it's gonna start as soon as the beat starts. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna go from 16. So if you think you're gonna rap a 16 bar rap, it's really gonna be 15 if you wait trying to lead in. So make sure you have your pre-record on if you have it set for 16. But to alleviate all that, just put it on free. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, after you set that, you make sure you got phantom power going to your microphone and all of that. And then make sure you hit start over here and see that it's waiting, you know what I mean? And then come over to your mic and make sure you got your headphones and connected and everything like that so you can hear it, you know what I mean? And then you go over to the Maschine and then you let it do the count off, and let you round off, yeah, and make it sound off, yeah. Hey, look, coming off the top, dog, you know how I rock, dog. I will never flop, dog. You was like a hot dog. Frank Dutch coming off the top. You know how I rock, and I love hip-hop, dog. I do this non-stop like, So let's pretend that's the song, and that's what we wanted to do. You know what I'm saying? We got it in the Maschine. All we got to do now is hit play. And then you let it do the count off, and let you round off, yeah, and make it sound off. Yeah, hey look, coming off the top, dog, you know how I rock, dog. I will never flop, dog. You was like a hot dog. Frank Dutch coming off the top. You know how I rock, and I love hip-hop, dog. I do this non-stop like, the flow is so sick, the flow. Yeah, that's basically how you do it, man. You can go over to another pad and add ad-lib. It still works by section. If you go and check out the arranger video that I set up, you can see how to arrange all of this stuff in the different ways on the timeline. Arrange it into an actual song, man. And obviously you could go in and mix it, like add effects and everything like that, level it out and all of that, like the same way you would as if you were doing an actual beat. So yeah, man, I hope this video helped y'all, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing, man. Y'all be cool how y'all be cool, man. Don't let nobody tell you how to do that. Nobody. All right, peace.